Way 2series BGA workstations fixture contains clip slots of V font for alligator clips, for hooks and to crosswise fixtures. First, set up the crosswise fixture. It adopts high-temperature, strong magnetism attaching on infrared preheating brick with strong adhesion, and it also can be moved flexibly and unlimitedly. Then, we will install laptop mainboard by 4 dedicated hooks. Make the mainboard chips being welded aiming at mostly bottom heating nozzle. Then make the 4 hooks stretch into the mounting holes on mainboards for corners. There is many mounting holes on one mainboard. Try best to choose the ones that can make whole mainboard weighted uniformly and the chips as the center. There is groove on hook. After hooks stretching into mounting holes, block mounting hole by groove and screw hooks knot tightly. After entering 4 hooks, observe if bottom nozzle is aiming at the chip being welded. Then regulate bottom nozzle's height to support mainboard. Last, stretch the 2 sides fixtures. Inflict the parallel tension to mainboard by hooks. When being welded, it can avoid mainboard shapeless, swell or sag. If bottom nozzle didn't aim at chip, fine regulate the whole fixture and the main node in middle. The whole fixture can be moved around flexibly. About some regular mainboard like desktop mainboard, we can directly install it by mini clip slots conveniently and rapidly. For alligated clips can be used to install the mainboard of small size and regular shape. Then we also demonstrate the installing way by desktop mainboard.